Cardano has exploded over the past 24 hours, and it is sitting at a pivotal price level. So, if you have any interest in Cardano or you hold any Cardano tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So, what is the latest Cardano news, and how will all of this affect the value of Cardano? In today's video, I will be answering these questions and telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Cardano. I've put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Cardano is doing on the 10th of November, shall we? Cardano's price today is around 63 cents. Cardano's price is up 40% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $4.5 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $22 billion, ranking it as one of the top cryptocurrencies. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Cardano soars 30% daily as founder Charles Hoskinson makes big announcement. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of IOG, the entity behind Cardano, has returned from his recent absence on X with a notable announcement regarding his role in the Trump administration. The native token of the Cardano ecosystem skyrocketed immediately, charting gains exceeding 30% daily. Cardano currently sits at a multi-month peak of almost 60 cents. Hoskinson had taken a break from X in recent weeks, but published his first 40-minute video hours ago. Perhaps the most notable piece of information that came out of it involves the upcoming new administration of the president-elect, Donald Trump. The co-founder of Ethereum said he will spend a lot of time in 2025 working with the US policymakers to establish a more comprehensive and perhaps favorable regulatory framework for the digital asset industry. The crypto policy should be written by the American people, by the American crypto industry, and by well-meaning lawmakers who are willing to take the time to listen. To be more effective, Hoskinson said IOG will make some internal changes that will include moving personnel around so that they can have an office dedicated to helping establish the crypto legislation. Cardano's native token reacted immediately to the news, which spread quickly on X. Cardano traded at 44 cents earlier on Sunday, but soared in minutes to nearly 60 cents. Despite retracing slightly since then, Cardano is still over 30% up on a daily scale and 70% higher compared to the same time last week. If you're still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Cardano updates and what the future could hold for the Cardano token. Cardano price soars 76%, whales return, but overbought risk looms. Often called a third-generation cryptocurrency, Cardano has rallied 76% this week, signaling a potential turning point for the altcoin. The renewed momentum has sparked optimism, especially as large-scale investors, or whales, are re-engaging with the network. Cardano notes new highs. Cardano's recent price action has prompted a significant increase in whale transaction volume, with a total of 11.5 billion traded by large holders in just the last 5 days. The last time Cardano saw this level of whale activity was over 6 months ago. In May, this renewed participation from large wallet holders, typically one of the most influential investor groups, suggests growing confidence in Cardano's price trajectory. Whale involvement is a strong indicator of market sentiment, as these large players often move substantial amounts of capital. Their return signals an endorsement of Cardano's current value and potential, potentially adding to Cardano's stability. If whales continue to participate actively, Cardano could sustain its upward momentum and strengthen its price position further. On a technical level, Cardano's momentum is supported by indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, which is currently in the overbought zone. Historically, an overbought RSI has often triggered short-term corrections for Cardano, signaling that a temporary price dip could be on the horizon. This overbought status raises caution as it implies that Cardano may be at risk of profit-taking. Should Cardano's price follow historical patterns, some recent gains could be reversed, leading to a short-term cooldown in its rally. Investors are likely to monitor this closely, as any correction could influence broader market sentiment toward Cardano. Cardano price prediction, securing support. Cardano's price has climbed by 75% over the past 5 days, trading at 0.58 at the time of writing. If Cardano aims to breach the 0.59 resistance and push towards 0.60, it will need continued macroeconomic support and a strong influx of buying interest to maintain its pace. Given the current overbought signals, a correction could bring Cardano down to 0.54. This drop would offer a stabilizing support level, but also indicate the necessity of sustained momentum to enable further gains. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Here's how much one Cardano will be worth if Cardano market cap reaches $100 billion. Cardano has the potential to retest its 2021 all-time peak if its market cap rises to claim the coveted $100 billion mark. The crypto market has embarked on an impressive run, with Cardano being one of the biggest beneficiaries after months of underperformance. Notably, the latest market-wide upsurge came on the back of Bitcoin's push to new peaks following Donald Trump's win in the NOV5 US presidential election. Despite Cardano's bearish performance from March to October, market analysts remained confident in the altcoin's potential. For instance, most recently, market watcher Javon Marks predicted a potential Cardano rally to $8. Meanwhile, earlier in the month, another analyst, Matt Motto, argued that a Cardano surge to the $3 level was long overdue. In addition, analyst Dan Gambardello projected a possible surge to $15. However, while pundits believe most of these targets are within reach, some argue that targets like $15 might not be feasible. Cardano price if its market cap hits $100 billion. The major reason behind this skepticism is the resulting market cap from loftier price targets. For context, the $15 price level would bring Cardano's valuation to $525 billion, much higher than Ethereum's current market cap of $365 billion. This would make Cardano the second largest crypto asset, a tall feat. Notably, Cardano's peak market cap was $93 billion, a valuation it attained when it surpassed $3 during the 2021 bull run. However, at the current circulating supply of over 35 billion tokens, Cardano would trade at $2.77 if it reclaimed the 93 billion peak during this bull run. Meanwhile, if Cardano ever surpassed this level to claim the much-coveted 100 billion market cap level, its price could knock at the previous all-time high. Particularly, with a 100 billion market cap, Cardano would trade at $2.85. While this would represent an impressive 551% increase from current prices, Cardano would still be 5% away from its 2021 peak of $3. Cardano up 27% in November. Notably, the likelihood of this recovery becomes clearer as the market progresses. Cardano has leveraged the latest uptrend to record an impressive 22% increase over the past 7 days, making it the second largest gainer among the top 20 assets within this time frame, only behind Dogecoin. Before now, Cardano had performed poorly following the collapse from the 81 cents yearly peak in March. Significantly, from March to October, Cardano collapsed 48%. Interestingly, Cardano had regained most of this value, up 27.88% in November with the altcoin season still ahead. At a current market cap of $15.3 billion, Cardano has now re-entered the top 10 list of largest assets after falling out of this region in August when its market cap slumped to $11 billion. But Cardano isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next big project in crypto. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.